a very challenging environment as far as this paint industry is concerned. So we are looking some young lads who can take on this challenge. So we have chosen this USB and especially this MBA Flagship programs, and 40 of the elite students of this program who can be trained and groomed by us, Berger Paint, as per the requirement of paint industry. And I have been taking these sessions from quite long here, and I found the students are very energetic, very positive, and very enthusiastic to take on this program and learn the new things very advanced before they are placed with the Berger Paints in coming months.
Recently, we got the opportunity for the campus placement drive of Berger Paints, and I am delighted to be the part of such a great company, Berger Paints, and thank you to the University School of Business, Chandigarh University.
I am very proud to say that I recently got placed in Berger Paints India Private Limited. So here I have appointed as a territory sales manager with the collaboration with Chandigarh University. So it's a very proud moment, and I want to thank Chandigarh University to provide me this golden opportunity to present myself.